Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rename your house sign in Brookhaven. So as you can see, it only has your name, but you can actually change the, why does it say bobo? Okay. Anyways, you can change it by pressing on this icon, house sign, and you're just going to type in whatever you want. Why does this person want to carry me? I'm just going to type in house and this color, and then it's going to show up here. And that is how you can add like a house sign on your house in Brookhaven. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!